You can also create this text animation in less than 2 minutes, and that too without using any paid software. Yes, we are using Davinci Resolve for this. It's free. So start by taking a new Fusion layer and place it into the timeline, and inside Fusion window, add text node and connect to media out. Then type your desired text and style it as it needed under the inspector panel. Now to make this follow, you need to make a custom path. So go to layer and select path. Sometimes you have to make your own path, and this is just a simple one. Using this pen tool right here, you can draw a straight line or make any shape whatever you want. And when you are done, you can animate the position on path. Or if you don't like keyframes, you can just type equal signs inside of the box, and then you're going to go ahead and type time/1000 or 500, and this will animate your title along with the path. According to your speed, you can adjust the number for your liking. And if you can go ahead and add spaces and copy paste your title several times to create some really cool design like this. If you learn something new, subscribe. Until then, keep it awesome.